Okay guys, before we get into the over the shoulder stuff, let me just explain what we're trying to do here so that when we do get into the sort of practical stuff that you can understand what we're trying to do, what we're trying to achieve, and it will just be so much easier for you and for me as well. Okay, so what we're looking for is to discover keywords that we can rank that have traffic. Okay, that is the core thing, that they have got traffic. Okay, also that they can be used in one piece of content, and that means that we'll be doing one campaign based around one topic that we can use for one piece of content, so that we can rank multiple keywords for that one piece of content, and we can start driving traffic almost immediately while we are still targeting the more competitive keywords. Okay, so I kind of mentioned that stuff in the previous video, but I just want to make a shorter version and get it noted on this video as well. Now these campaigns, they will roughly take about 10 minutes to set up. Okay, that includes the content as well. Okay, about 10 minutes to set these up. It's not hard to do the setup, it's not hard to do the deployment of the content, it's not hard to do the mass page building as far as the actual campaign setup time. Okay, so 10 minutes it should take, and at the end of that we need to be tracking the keywords, okay, so that we can find out which we are ranking for. And it's not going to be as quick as what you will find if you're doing this in YouTube, for example, but there's no way that we can find out in YouTube about traffic in the same sort of way as what we can do here. Okay, so we're looking for keywords that have got traffic, but there's going to be some different indicators on the traffic volumes as well, because people will click through if we're not presenting them the information that they need for that particular search query. They're going to bounce off, and we expect that to happen with Traffic Scout campaigns. So we're going to put this into a domain that really doesn't matter. Okay, and plus we will use a domain that is going to be built on an it's going to be an expired domain with a lot of backlinks, etc. I've got some perfect domains for that purpose. Okay, so we have to monitor what's happening and expect that we're going to start to lose rankings. Okay, once real traffic comes in and user behavior signals kick in, we're going to start to lose rankings, because people are just going to bounce straight off, because the content, no matter if it's a landing page or whether it's just an article or whether it's a video or whatever, when people land on it, they're going to say, this is not what I was looking for, and they're going to bounce off, and therefore Google will see that pretty quickly, and it's going to basically get rid of our content. Okay, and it's going to get rid of our rankings, because it's not going to be showing the best content or best results for that particular keyword search. Okay, so we need to understand what's going on, what we're looking for, so that when we're setting it up in the step-by-step, when we're setting up in the campaign, when we're monitoring as well, that we need to be alert. Okay, so I'll show you how to do all of that. Okay, so this is going to be discovering keywords that you can rank that have got traffic, but there are some nuances to this system. Okay, there's no way to avoid these if you want to come out the other side with something of high value, and something of high value is going to be traffic almost immediately from when you do your money site content, which is going to be far higher quality content, but we know that we can expect traffic immediately, so that we can start to monetize that traffic, whether it's an affiliate review, whether it's an Amazon review, whether it's your own products, whether you're doing it for list building, whether you're doing it for AdSense. Okay, whatever your goal may be, we still need to know that we can get traffic almost immediately from the keywords that we are putting into our content with that strategy in mind. Okay, thank you.